Buckle up, space cadets, because we're blasting off on a wild ride to Titan, Saturn's largest moon and one of the most bizarre worlds in our solar system. Get ready to discover hidden oceans, raining methane, and a world eerily similar to our own. Titan's enigma. Titan has been a cosmic enigma for centuries. This moon, larger than the planet Mercury, is cloaked in an orange haze so thick it hides the surface completely. For astronomers, it was like staring at a giant cosmic orange. Tantalizing, but impossible to truly understand. Even telescopes as powerful as Hubble could only see a blurry smudge. The mystery deepened as scientists detected hints of complex organic molecules in that thick atmosphere, the kind of chemicals that are the building blocks of life. Was Titan just a frozen wasteland or a bizarre biochemical laboratory hiding under that orange veil? Scientists, being the intrepid explorers they are, weren't about to give up. Strange whispers reached our ears from across the vast gulf of space. Titan, it seemed, wasn't geologically dead. It had a heartbeat, subtle and slow, but hinting at a dynamic world beneath the haze. Scientists detected shifting surface features, perhaps evidence of icy volcanoes, or the ebb and flow of hidden seas. The possibility of liquid on Titan was mind-boggling. On Earth, water is the elixir of life, but on frigid Titan, any liquid would be far more exotic. Liquid methane or ethane, substances normally found as gases on our planet. Could life, fundamentally different from anything we know, exist in such an alien environment? Titan was like a tantalizing riddle, a cosmic puzzle box just waiting to be opened. Its orange haze became a symbol of both our ignorance and our boundless curiosity. It whispered promises of discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the universe and our very place within it. Voyager missions. Way back in the 1980s, the Voyager mission sent back tantalizing glimpses of this hidden world. But to truly crack the Titan code, we needed a bolder mission. Enter the epic Cassini-Huygens. The Voyager probes were our first pioneers, the intrepid scouts venturing into the Saturnian system. Like cosmic Columbuses, they charted new territories, revealing the majesty of Saturn's rings and the swirling storms of Jupiter. But Titan remained elusive, a veiled mystery begging for closer inspection. Voyager 1, destined for an interstellar future, had a chance encounter with Titan. Scientists risked altering its trajectory to get a closer look at this enigmatic moon. As Voyager hurtled past, its instruments pierced the haze just enough to confirm the existence of a thick atmosphere, a world of secrets waiting to be uncovered. The data beamed back was both thrilling and frustrating. It confirmed Titan was a place like no other in our solar system, a world brimming with potential, but the images were blurry, the details tantalizingly out of reach. Voyager's flyby was like a keyhole peek into a wondrous room. We glimpsed wonders, but the full picture remained hidden. Voyager ignited our imaginations. It fueled a burning desire to return to Titan, to unveil its mysteries not with a quick glance but with a dedicated mission. This cosmic puzzle demanded a closer look, and so the seeds for the Cassini-Huygens mission were sown. Cassini-Huygens. Cassini was our Saturnian eyes in the sky, revealing Titan in all its glory, and its little buddy, Huygens, went the extra mile, actually parachuting down through Titan's smoggy atmosphere and landing directly on its surface. The Cassini-Huygens mission wasn't just bold. It was a marvel of engineering and international collaboration. This spacecraft was a behemoth, packed with instruments to peel back Titan's veil. To reach Saturn was a journey in itself. Cassini couldn't just blast off in a straight line. Cassini's arrival at Saturn was a triumph. It slipped into orbit, becoming a long-term resident of this ringed realm. The release of Huygens was a nail-biting moment. This probe, the culmination of years of work, was now on its own. Titan unveiled. What Huygens discovered blew our minds. Titan, this frigid, far-off moon, is shockingly Earth-like. It has a dense atmosphere, rain cycles, rivers, lakes, even mountains. Except, well, imagine Earth reflected in a cosmic funhouse mirror. That's Titan. The landscape is eerily familiar, yet the building blocks are bizarre. Rivers of liquid methane carve canyons through icy bedrock. Dunes of hydrocarbon soot stretch towards the horizon. Titanic lakes shimmer not with water, but with a cocktail of strange chemicals. Cassini orbited Saturn for over a decade, sending back a treasure trove of data. It mapped Titan's methane seas, some as vast as Earth's Caspian Sea. It peered beneath the haze, revealing icy volcanoes that might spew out a slushy mix of water and ammonia instead of molten lava. Cassini even flew through plumes erupting from Enceladus, another of Saturn's moons. It discovered a hidden subsurface ocean, hinting at a potentially habitable environment right in our own cosmic backyard. Titan, however, was far drier than initially hoped. But no less fascinating, the Cassini-Huygens mission transformed Titan from a blurry orange smudge into a world. Yet, with every answered question, a dozen new ones emerged. Could life as we know it exist in those methane lakes and seas? Or might there be organisms based on fundamentally different biochemistry, perhaps breathing hydrogen instead of oxygen? The answers remain tantalizingly out of reach, fueling our drive to return. Potential for life. The more we learn about Titan, the more its potential for life becomes a burning question. Not the kind of life we know, mind you, but something fundamentally different. Perhaps existing in those methane seas. Life, as we understand it, needs 3 key ingredients: liquid water, a source of energy, and the right chemical building blocks. Titan seems to only have 2 out of 3. Its surface is far too cold for liquid water. But those methane seas hold a tantalizing possibility. Could methane fulfill the same role as water, creating a solvent for a whole new biochemistry? Scientists have theorized that a methane-based life form might breathe in hydrogen instead of oxygen, reacting it with acetylene instead of glucose, and exhale methane instead of carbon dioxide. This is pure speculation, but it's grounded in the exotic chemistry of Titan. The potential for life doesn't end on the surface. Deep beneath Titan's icy crust, there's compelling evidence for a hidden ocean of liquid water. This ocean could be more hospitable for life as we know it. Could hydrothermal vents, like those on Earth's ocean floor, be lurking down there, providing both energy and the necessary building blocks? Titan challenges our very definition of life. It forces us to think outside the terrestrial box, to imagine a universe teeming with possibilities far stranger and more wondrous than anything we've dared to dream of. Perhaps life isn't the exception in the cosmos, but the rule, taking on forms we can barely comprehend. Titan might hold the key to unlocking this extraordinary secret. The cosmic commute to Titan is a long one, but the rewards are out of this world. It's a testament to human ingenuity that we've unveiled the secrets of this distant moon, and who knows what marvels the next mission to Titan might discover. Perhaps even life beyond our wildest dreams.